Ever ask Alexa to do something, and nothing happens? You're not alone. Here's how to get your routines working again. First, double-check your routine settings in the Alexa app. Open the app, tap More, then Routines. Make sure everything looks right. Did you set the right trigger? Sometimes it's as simple as fixing a typo or picking the right device. Next, try rebooting your Echo. Unplug it, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Why? Sometimes a simple restart solves weird tech glitches. Still not working. Make sure your Echo and the Alexa app are using the latest updates. Go to your device settings and check for software updates. It matters. And check your Wi-Fi. If your Echo can't connect, routines won't run. Try moving your Echo closer to your router or resetting your Wi-Fi if things seem slow. One last tip. Disable, then re-enable the routine. Sometimes toggling it off and on again is all it takes. If nothing works, delete the routine and make a new one. It sounds drastic, but it often clears up hidden issues. Echo routines can be a lifesaver when they work. Now you know how to get them back on track. Happy automating!